If I've done this right, you'll wake up in a bit.
You better stay away from him. He's about to go.
Please step away immediately.
Sure, man. You won't get away with this.
We've got a downer here, haven't we?
Oh, I love a game of hide and seek.
Out wherever you are.
Downer!
Why don't you cheer up? We won't have it. We won't. Have it. Hey, your joy, darling.
Take your joy, you stinking downer! Say good night!
As some would say, property is theft. Do like I've told you, Meg. Don't do like I do. Another bloody document control. How much we learn from the Germans.
Right there! Get him!
You are not authorized. Clear the area immediately. Please step away immediately.
Get them! The gate's open, Ollie. Can't you just not look at the telly?
No, I can't just not look at the telly. They put one in every bloody corner. I'll tell you what I can do. I can blow up the bloody broadcast antenna at City Hall.
That is the worst idea I've ever heard from you.
What do you know? You're dead. Huh? Haven't got an answer for that, have you? Margaret. Margaret! Ah.
Looks like a plague whistle did a number on this.
Right, I've had it for you.
Ollie, look out! He's about to stop fighting!
Let's get the rest of the lads.
Right, Sally, we're...
Sounds like a very long way away, doesn't it?
Give up, and I won't smash your face. Down.
Let this be a lesson to you then.
Go. In phone booth. Yes, there'll be a built-in record player. Just bring your favorite records along when you go for a spin in your car. And of course, we'll always have our joy. We couldn't do without that, could we? Don't change a bit. Perfect. Just.
Ah, the Department of Senseless Idiotic Research. If anywhere's got hydrogen, it's these bambots. If not, I'm off to the executive committee to fill a bag with hot fucking air. Where do they keep their hydrogen, do you think?
Hey! Ow! Say goodnight. Oh, really? Really?
And there's my hydrogen. Now, I just need to walk out the door and...
Bloody difficult.
Shutting all the doors!
Oh, for fuck's sake! How do I get out now?
Cheer up.
A game of hide and seek.
Bloody hell.
Keep running!
Calm. Keep calm. Keep calm.
Oh, bitch!
Say good. Good night.
That's the last time you do that around here. Help!
You won't.
Black. Oi!
Up here, Ollie. I think we can open up the doors from the office.
Well, how the hell do I do that? I can't fly up there, can I? Oh, wait, the cannon.
Put that down!
Just need to make sure it's facing the tower and wind it up.
That's a terrible idea.
Take your joy! Take your joy!
I won't have it! Vengeance is mine! Black! Down that!
Black dog!
Safe!
Down her! Down her! Put that down! I won't have it!
Lucky I don't believe in ghosts. And now, I just get in.
I hope this doesn't tear off any bits you'll miss later.
Why didn't you mention that before? Still got all my bits. They just hurt extraordinarily much. Who needs trains and planes? We ought to have sent the mail by cannon.
All right. All right. I've opened the door. Now, please, just go.
Thank you kindly.
I'm going to have the worst headache for the rest of the week.
What? I'm done fooling around!
Found you.
Lay still, you bastard.
The broadcast tower can't be that far from here. I wonder what the executive committee's up to right now.
better stay away from him. He's about to go.
Oh, that really takes it out of your shoulders.
I've got a wife. You're not human. You monster! Please, I've got a wife.
And it's another fabulous day.
The elevators
Wellington
must be
Well.
up these stairs.
The weather is beautiful. Wet. But that's the lovely thing about English weather. The sun always comes out in the end. So come on out, or you'll miss it.
Oh, I don't think I want to try to get past
You know how
Headmistress
I would
while
fix
she's on the...
everything.
Where have they
You
hidden
know
her
how I
controls?
would fix everything if I was put in charge?
Sorry, ma'am. I need to get upstairs.
You'll have to ask someone who has time on her hands.
Please step away immediately.
I need to get upstairs to see the executive committee.
They're busy too, I should think. Why don't you ask somebody else?
You are not authorized. Please clear the area immediately. You are not authorized. Please clear the area immediately. Please step away immediately. Please step away immediately.
Give up, and I won't smash your face.
For God, for Harry, and St... Where do I turn on the bloody...
I'll fix you!
Sorry you had to see that.
The elevator's shuttered. Could you open it?
I'm so sorry. I'm in a bit of a jam. Would you mind asking one of my colleagues?
Excuse me, miss. Could you turn on the elevator?
I'm terribly sorry. I'm very busy. Why don't you ask at another window?
There we go. And up I go. What the hell happened here?
Food production.
Good Christ, it's all going down the crapper.
You don't have to talk like that.
What's that? What's that? Did you hear that?
Who's in charge here?
You're in luck. It's me today.
We rotate the dread responsibility.
Do I know you?
So, there's only one of you who doesn't take joy in a day?
I might have had a little.
The tanks in the military camp. Did you know they made of papier-mâché?
Oh, that's terrible. Would you like a joy?
Have you been getting out into the village lately? People are getting a bit slim. And these charts, are we running out of food?
Oh, no, don't look at the charts. They're horrible. Here, let me get you another joy. We've got our own booth. They're the executive committee?
So, you people are in charge of the whole shebang?
That's us. Ever since the victory. What's wrong with the tanks?
You know what? I've forgotten.
good. Well, come back if you remember, but with any luck you won't. Be seeing you.
We have to tell people. They need to make a new executive committee.
Absolutely. If they won't heed the loony from the garden district, they're sure to hearken to the dead girl in his head.
They'd listen to Uncle Jack.
You know what that man did.
Everyone listens to him. All day long.
I can't stand his smirking face.
Ollie.
You're right. You're always right. But it's not going to be pretty. If we go upstairs, we're going to make him tell the truth about bloody everything.
Did you hear something?
Someone there?
Hello? Yoo-hoo! Hello? Here's Ollie! Hello?
Time to pay the piper, Jack.
Where is he?
Good Christ! He's gone off! He can't have gone off! I've got things to tell you, Jack!
Huh. I suppose this is where I could play a tape if I had one. Let's see what Jack has to say for himself.
I'm sure I had it right here. You know, there are times that you can actually take a little too much joy and Well, then you can't remember anything is, can you? Ah, yes. Here it is. Mrs. Florence Gilbert of Brougham Hayes is holding an exhibition of her hand-knit dolls. Well, she likes to make dolls from all over the world, all knitted in wool.
It's his last show.
How'd you ken that?
The camera's smashed. They couldn't have shot another.
Do you know who'd have liked that? Margaret.
Why is he talking about you?
Who's Margaret?
Because I love dolls.
What am I talking about? Who cares about the past? Well, listen, do drop by to see these fabulous dolls at Mrs. Florence Gilbert's.
Poor thing.
Poor thing?
She loved dolls, you know. She had dozens of them. They're from all over. I can assure you that there's absolutely no truth to the silly rumour that the food is running out.
How does he know about your dolls?
However, it is true that there's a brand new flavour of joy. You'd think a 12-year daughter would be over dolls.
His daughter?
Yes, Ollie.
But she'd make these darling little costumes. I knew it was wrong. I mean... God, she was even excited about going to Germany. It was me. I couldn't imagine living without her, so... So I hid her. And someone tipped them off. And she ran.
No, that's not right. It was Jack what turned you in and I what tried to save you.
No, Ollie. You turned me in.
I'm afraid we've come to the end of our time.
But you were my daughter.
Jack Worthing. Margaret
I mean it.
Worthing. You're Ollie Starkey.
No, I couldn't have. I could never have betrayed you. You're my...
Neighbour. I was your neighbour.
How could I? How could I do a thing like that to a little girl? Dear God. Dear God, I'm sorry, Margaret. I never meant to hurt you.
Well,
It's a bit late for an apology.
What can I do? Tell me.
do you hear me? We've come to the end of our time. The food's run out. We're all going to starve to death. You have to stop taking your joy. Take it from Jack Worthing. That's me.
People have to know
But Jack's your father.
Stop.
that Jack's gone, that the food's run out,
All have to stop.
that they have to stop taking the joy.
Stop it.
You have to broadcast the tape.
Right, I could do that.
But you won't, will you?
God, I never meant to hurt you, Margaret. I'm sorry. They've cut the power. The bastards.
There's an emergency. One of those wheelie power thingamabobs. You're on air. Watch out, someone's coming. Watch out, someone's coming.
It's not going away.
Black dog.
It is. It's not going away. I'm
Black dog.
We're running out.
Do you hear me?
I won't have it.
We've come to the end of our time. The food's run out. We're all going to starve to death. You have to stop taking your joy.
Someone's coming through the cover.
Well, lad, this is what we train for.
Right, I'm done fooling around.
Down up! Get up! We'll have none of that around here.
Turn it off! Downer. Say goodnight. Put that down. I won't have it. I'll fix her.
I won't have it! Oh!
Our own wee bannock burn.
Have to stop. Stop. Stop it! But you won't, will you? You won't. I'm afraid we've come to the end of our time.
We're running out of power.
We've come to the end of our time. 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 Come to the end of our time. We've come to the end of our time. Come to the end of our time.
I guess walking out the front door's out of the question.
Good thing I made you get that float.
What do we do now?
We say goodbye.
To who?
I'm not really your daughter.
I know that.
And I'm not really here.
But
I'm a lie too.
we've been together so many years.
You don't think having an invisible friend is a wee bit babyish for a man who's been to war?
We can hide in the train station till it all blows over.
Now that you've put that on the telly, I think it's time you put away childish things.
You're right. You're always right. Goodbye, Margaret.
Hey! You bastards! Look up! It's Ollie Starkey! Wake up, you damn sheep! I never liked you! Or you! That's right, you as well, pal! It's not a lovely day for it. It's a fucking terrible day for it. Lovely day for fucking what anyways? Fuck the lot of you bastards! I'm going home!
What what's left of Scotland?
Are you all right, sir?
I'd forgotten just how heinous a person I am.
Well, the truth is not for everyone, sir. You see, some people find they are stronger than they ever supposed.
Some people can let go of the confabulations that have comforted them. Some make choices that surprise even themselves.
The food's run out. You have to stop taking your joy. Stop.
Perhaps these people are not you. Are you sure you don't wish to forget? And go back?
I was happy before, wasn't I? Are you really a constable?
I patrol the boundaries. Come on, sir. Once you're out there, you'll know what to do.
Lovely day for it. Lovely day for it. Lovely day for it. I don't even know how to tell the truth anymore. Lovely day for it.
Are you joking? It's been shitty all day. Did you not notice the drops of water falling out of the sky? Gonna be shitty tonight too.
You're right. It has been rather a shit day.